My name is Lowell Blackwell. I work at American Airlines, supervisor over Dock 1A, 1B, 737. The main thing that made me choose Spartan is the hybrid program. The hybrid program was a brand new program at the time that I started. It allowed me to go to school and stay at my house for the first year of schooling and then come to school to do labs and hands-on training. I spent 15 years in the military. I was in the Army. After I got out of the military, I wanted to continue my career in aviation. They gave me the materials I needed, helped me locate a place to live while I was here. They also walked me through campus, walked me through what my daily class schedule would be. I'd recommend the hybrid program for anybody who is a little scared about coming to school away from home. I definitely recommend it for anybody who has a career established and isn't quite ready to leave that career but wants to work towards aviation. I've got 2 other supervisors that I work with who I know for a fact are Spartan graduates. We're 3 guys at different time frames, but all of us graduated from Spartan. So obviously there's something right with this school and something right with the program that it's offering.